Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey friends! Today, we're going to draw and color some super cute watermelon ice creams. So grab your marker and your colors, and let's have some fun. First, I draw a triangle-shaped slice of watermelon ice cream. Now, I add the rind and then the peel. Next, the important part, let's draw the seeds to make it look realistic.
Wow!
Finally, I draw the stick bar to complete the ice cream.
Yeah.
Next, I draw a similar ice cream, but this time the top is rounded. Let's add the rind, the peel, and the stick again.
Wow!
Lastly, I draw some seeds to give it a natural look.
Uh-oh!
Now, let's draw a round-shaped ice cream. Do you have one like this at home? Just like before, I draw the peel, the rind, and the stick.
Wow!
And of course, some seeds to finish it off. Now all our drawings are done. How was your drawing experience? It's time to add some colors. Let's color all our ice creams. For the first one, I pick red because watermelon flesh is red.
Wow! That's amazing!
I use
Wow.
light green for the rind and dark green for the
Wow.
peel.
Wow! Wow!
The stick gets a dark brown color.
Great!
For the second ice cream, I use yellow. It's mango flavored but still shaped like watermelon. Yellow is my favorite color. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments.
Uh-oh!
I use orange for the peel and the same dark brown for the stick. For the third ice cream, I use burgundy to make it look vibrant.
Woo!
The rind is light green, the peel is yellow, and the stick is the same brown as before.
Awesome!
And finally, I use black to color all the seeds.
Whoa!
Now, I will overdraw all of this ice cream to make it pop and stand out. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Wow! We're done with both the drawing and the coloring. Great job, artists! See you next time with more fun and colorful drawings, only on Tiny Hands Art. Bye-bye!